Long ago, in a time when the great cities of the Indus Valley had crumbled into silence, a new chapter of life began. The bustling urban centers gave way to vast agricultural settlements where peasants toiled to cultivate the land. And then came the Aryans. Tribe after tribe, family after family, they journeyed over the towering mountains of the northwest, drawn by an irresistible call. Their arrival was not sudden but stretched over centuries, like waves washing onto a shore. At first, the people of the Indus Valley resisted these newcomers, but their numbers grew too vast. The Aryans pressed forward, eventually blending with or overcoming the native inhabitants. Between 2000 BCE and 1000 BCE, the Indian subcontinent became a mosaic of vibrant regional cultures. The pastoral Aryans clashed with the agrarian villages, reshaping the very fabric of society. Those who were defeated adopted the language of the victors, and thus began the age of the Vedic civilization. The origins of these Vedic people remain shrouded in mystery. Did they come as invaders, sweeping down from Central Asia at the twilight of the Indus Valley civilization? Or were they, perhaps, fellow travelers who settled alongside the Indus people? Regardless, their arrival marked a new era. Imagine those distant ancestors, weary from their long journey, reaching the mighty rivers of India. The sight of these majestic waters flowing to the sea must have filled them with awe and joy. In gratitude, they bowed before the rivers, singing praises in their rich, melodious language. Unlike farmers who moved slowly, these cattle breeders spread rapidly. Before settling, they explored the land, searching for pastures and places of wealth. They raided, captured cattle, and claimed their spoils. The expansion of the Vedic people was not just a conquest, it was a dynamic cultural connection that spanned centuries. Among the remnants of the Indus Valley were the Panis, wealthy traders trying to sustain their legacy. The term Pani evolved into Bania, derived from the Sanskrit word Vanik. For these traders, goods and cattle were lifelines. The Vedic hymns, products of these people's journey into India, captured their wonder at existence. Rabindranath Tagore called the Rig Veda a poetic testament of a collective reaction to the mysteries of life. For the Aryans, every element of nature was divine, and their simple faith brought them joy and enchantment. Yet, the Rig Veda was not the beginning. Behind it lay countless ages of civilization, thought, and the legacy of the Indus Valley. And so, they dedicated their hymns to the seers and pathfinders who came before them, to the seers, or ancestors, the first pathfinders, may you all prosper.